Do you ever plug in your DJ gear, headphones, or speakers, and instead of clear beats, you hear a low, persistent hum like a distant refrigerator? That annoying buzz might be a ground loop, and you might be wondering if a ground loop isolator is the magic fix. A ground loop isolator is absolutely right for your setup if you are experiencing a persistent, low-frequency hum or buzz that disappears when you disconnect specific audio connections, but persists even after checking basic cable integrity. It is specifically designed to break the unwanted electrical connection that causes this noise, allowing your audio signal to flow cleanly. A ground loop occurs when there are two or more ground connections in an audio system that are at slightly different electrical potentials. This often happens when equipment is plugged into different wall outlets, or when multiple devices are connected to both power and audio sources that create separate paths to electrical ground. The difference in voltage creates a small current that flows through your audio cables, acting like an antenna, picking up electrical interference, and transforming it into that audible hum. The ground loop isolator interrupts this unwanted current path by using passive components, usually transformers, to electrically separate the grounds while still allowing the audio signal to pass through. To determine if you need one, first listen carefully. Is the hum constant? Does it change when you move cables? Try disconnecting one audio cable at a time between your components while keeping the power connected. If the hum stops when you disconnect a specific audio cable, you have likely found the loop. Also, ensure all your equipment is plugged into the same power strip or wall outlet if possible, as this can sometimes prevent ground loops. Check your cables for damage, as worn or poorly shielded cables can also introduce noise. If the hum persists after these basic troubleshooting steps, an isolator is the next logical step. What you are looking for is a device that offers what is called galvanic isolation. This means there is no direct electrical connection between the input and output, which effectively blocks those unwanted ground currents. These isolators are typically very affordable and come in various configurations, from simple inline adapters for RCA cables to more robust units for XLR connections. They are a simple and effective solution, especially useful in home DJ setups where power grounding can be less than ideal. By understanding how ground loops are formed and how to identify their source, you can confidently decide if a ground loop isolator is the right solution to clean up your audio. This small, inexpensive device can transform your sound quality from buzzy to crystal clear, letting you focus on your mix and enjoy your music without distraction.